Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications on a Mac. To do that, click on this button right here to open the control center, and now go to Do Not Disturb and turn on Do Not Disturb, and that will work. When it says that it's on until, for example, tomorrow, then it will be on a schedule, but you can go to Focus Settings, then click on Do Not Disturb and choose the schedule that's on and disable it, and click on Done. And now when you disable and enable focus, then you will see it's on, so it will not turn off automatically. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.